Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix your PIN not accepted on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Okay, so you can see if I lock my tablet, there is a PIN right here, and if you don't remember it, then if you don't remember, it's a different thing not remembering, then it not being accepted, because you may remember it but it's not accepted. In that case, you should try pressing and holding on power and volume down, then press and hold on power off, then tap on safe mode, and then there's a chance that it'll work here this time. So try entering it. If it works, then it's great. If it doesn't, then we're gonna get to a different thing. But yeah, this is the most important part, that you can try to go to the safe mode to erase your PIN, and it may sometimes work like the PIN when you try to enter the safe mode. So if you are able to enter the safe mode, that is really great, because that will help you. Okay, now we are here. Now you should be able to enter your PIN and then go to the settings. Now you should be able to go to security and privacy, screen lock and biometrics, enter your PIN, continue, and set it to none or swipe. Then go to the system and it'll be working. Although, and then after that, slide down from the left top part of the screen, go to safe mode is on, click on turn off, and it'll restart into standard tablet mode. Now, if it was not working, then you have just like an option to either visit your Samsung service center with a proof of purchase, or just any authorized service with a proof of purchase. They may try to help you with it, or you can perform a factory reset via recovery mode. Although remember, that will erase all the data on your tablet, so if you have something not backed up, you will have it erased. But yeah, that for sure fixes the issue. Now I'm not gonna show the recovery mode factory reset here, because it's in other videos and it's a complex process. So I would highly recommend just watching a different video on our channel. Like for example, there's a video that's called Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra Pattern Lock Not Recognized Fix, and you can watch that, and that shows you also what you can do there. You can do that recovery mode, or if you watch a video on how to do a recovery mode, you can also do that. Remember that after resetting with the recovery mode, during the setup you will be asked about entering your Google account that was previously signed in, and yeah, that's basically it, and it'll erase the data, right? So yeah, you can do that, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.